Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to another video on my automotive channel. Today we're looking at a new car. Yes, I bought another car. I know I keep buying all these different cars and don't really do many videos on it. However, this is different and I do apologise if I've not been around for a while doing videos because I have a good explanation. But first of all, there's Hugo, as you can see. Got his lovely new seats, which there's a video coming on next week. However, I've mentioned in a few videos, especially when we was doing his interior, taking his interior out, that I'm looking at possibly getting Hugo a sister. Wow. Drum roll please, because I got Hugo a sister. Are you ready? So there you go, Hugo. You now have a sister. So Hugo is 1970. Hugo's sister is a 1972, and I'm told it's a 500R. Some different specifications and everything, but you can see it inside there, and yes, it's yellow and blue. Which, funny enough, there's a yellow front end over there. Now that's going to be a clock for my wall, but it's the same yellow, which is quite nice. But there you go. So there's the yellow, and there's the blue doors. So yeah, it's obviously had a respray at some point in its life. The seats have all been taken out now, so I can actually I've been working on it all morning, to be completely honest. But yeah, this is Hugo's sister. So this is going to be my project for the next couple of, let's say, years. I don't know how long it'll take. No real time frame on it. However, it does have the original 500 engine, which is nice. There's the seats there. So yeah, it's got the original 500 engine, original gearbox. Possibly something to look at. Maybe put the engine in Hugo, but I'm not too sure on that. I think we'll just end up probably either keeping the engine for future or just sell it on. It actually runs, the car does run, and there will be a video of that very soon. But that is pretty much everything. I mean, I do like the yellowy colour. It's really nice. However, like I said, I got my own plan for this. So this will be done as a, the idea is as a replica, a bath, but with a twist. It's going to have my own design on it and everything. A couple of things that I want to make my own, really make the car itself my own little Fiat 500, with obviously a 650 engine, but a bath stuff and everything like that. Should be a little bit faster than Hugo, and we will go through absolutely everything. I'm already finding bits of rust that need doing, but nothing too serious, not as bad as the blue rust bucket. So yeah, there it is. Here's one of the areas. I don't know how well that come up because of the sun. There you go, some damage there. There's actually a nice big, well, first of all, there's this bit here. Again, nothing serious. And then we got a massive ding in the front end. So he's had a knock, so we'll just replace the front panel. You can buy all the panels, that's not a problem. Rust on the lights. In here, if I can open it, there's our fuel tank, and as you can see, this is pretty solid. The only bit of rust is actually down right at the bottom, which is pretty normal. You kind of get that, and I haven't taken that up yet, but we'll have a look. And I haven't done this side. That'll be coming up in an hour or two. I found quite a bit of money, like pound coins and euros. There's a history behind this car, and there's some amazing paperwork that I'm going to be going through with you in the next video, when we're doing more work on it. But the plan is for now to take the bumpers off, strip it right down, and then it's actually going in the garage in the back, so it'd be literally the other side of Hugo, the other side of that wall. So take the bumpers off and hopefully it'll fit in there a little bit better than Hugo used to fit in the garage. And then the plan is, once the Porsche goes. Porsche's up for sale. If anyone wants to buy a triple blue edition Porsche Boxster S, let me know. But the plan is Hugo will be moved over to here, and then Hugo's sister will be built here. Project R22, I think I'm going to go with the name. You'll notice a paint can on the roof as well. It's actually some spare paint, which was in the front. There's the 500 engine, so this one will be coming out. Like I said, it does run, so we'll probably just sell it on or sell it as parts, spares and repairs, but it does run. It's been tested, so it seems to be okay. So that one will be moved on. I don't really need any need for that. But like I said, I'm putting my own spin on this car. It's going to have my own, what do you call it, unique parts. For one, I got a friend who's actually going to help me out create my very own rear wing, so I can guarantee no one else in the world will have the same rear wing as on my classic Fiat 500, because I'm going to be designing it. And then he's very good with fiberglass and that, and he's going to help me make it. And of course I'll be doing videos of all of this, so you'll be able to keep up with all that. But the boot lid will be open like the older bar style. We're going to make it wider, put the wide arches on it, bigger engine, like I said, 650. It's a 1972 and it comes with a lot of paperwork, and it did make me think last night, like, it could be very nice to get this one back to what it was original as, the yellow and that. But at the same time, I want to make it my own. I really want to have Hugo's sister and literally turn it into a sister on steroids. Wow, there you have it. That is Hugo's sister. I do have a name for it. I'm not going to tell you the name yet, but Hugo is very happy to have a sister. I'm sure he is. And like I said, interior has been done. If you follow me all over the social media, my Instagram, and that'll be in a link in the description, but you can check out the seats and everything, and the new steering wheel. Video coming this week on that. Can't wait to share it with you all. But yeah, Hugo's sister is finally here. So like I said, get the Porsche gone and we can start loads of work on it. But for now, it's just basically stripping it down, cleaning it out, and then it'll be put into storage. And once we get the Porsche gone, it can come in here. I got friends who can help me out with welding and everything like that. So yeah, it's going to be a really fun project. I'll bring every video, everything being done on the car is going to be filmed. All the crazy outrageous stuff I want to do with the car as well. So I can't wait to share it all with you. So please remember to like and subscribe to keep up to date with my cars, and the Renault Megane as well. I've got some more videos coming on that this week. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.